Alrighty, folks, it is time to dig into the opportunity that Lennar is bringing real estate investors. We've talked to them a couple of different times, and now we're going to go deeper into the marketplace. We're actually going to talk about the warranty that real estate investors get. And as a Lennar homeowner, I can tell you it is amazing. I've used it. And to see that real estate investors will get the same thing I did as a Lennar homeowner is pretty cool. Crystal, you've been on the channel before, so let's let you kick it off, sort of remind us what you do, and then please introduce your peers, Sean and Elliot.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm Crystal. I oversee Investor Marketplace. So, all the different pieces on the website, marketing you see, that comes from me and my team. So any feedback, we love to hear it. But one thing that our customer care team has been working on is a simplified warranty process, which they'll be sharing the one Lennar warranty and talking about the portal and how it has great tools for investors. Sean and Elliot, if you wouldn't mind introducing yourselves, that'd be great.
Go ahead, Elliot.
Yeah, thank you, Sean. Hello, everyone. I'm Elliot Pomplin. I am the Senior Manager of Homeowner Solution Strategy at Lennar. Been with Lennar for about 7.5 years, and I really help drive technology from a customer care standpoint and improving the customer experience from our single-family homeowners all the way through our investment buyers as well, trying to simplify everything as much as possible and put all the tools in the hands of our customers to have a great experience living in their Lennar home.
Awesome.
Hey everyone, I'm Sean Delperdang. I'm the Senior Program Manager on the National Customer Care team. I work a lot internally to cover the customer experience and work with how associates interact with our homeowners, and then also with our technology partners to support that effort.
Very cool. Well, I want to dig into what you've referenced as the one Lennar warranty. I'm not really sure who to throw it to, but I'm going to assume you know who you are. But can you just define what that is? Because again, I think people today think Lennar homeowner, which again, I own a Lennar home. I bought it. I'm happy. I use this portal for to log, I don't know what you call them, requests or tickets or whatnot. But what is one Lennar warranty, and why should real estate investors care?
Really good question. I could take that one. The one Lennar warranty, really think of that as a sort of an internal project name. We're calling this the Lennar Limited National Warranty, of course. The reason we're calling it one Lennar warranty and why that matters to investors is because this was a significant effort internally to really review the customer experience and how that draws from our warranty. And some of the output of that effort was to unify that warranty experience for all of our customers and remove some of those barriers that used to exist, where you might have one warranty experience in one state and a different warranty experience in another. You might have those cutoffs even across communities. So we internally called this the One Lennar Warranty Project because it's really about cutting through all of the red tape and creating a seamless experience for the customer, regardless of geographic location or who you talk to at Lennar.
Yeah, the reason that this is important, because again, if you are a real estate investor, there's a very good opportunity, especially if you're a real estate investor with new home construction. You might be building a portfolio that is, let's just say, more geographically spread out, right? You're not only going to be in different communities in the same city, you're probably going to be in different states, certainly if you're doing this for years to come. So what I'm hearing you say, and again, please correct me if I'm wrong, this one Lennar warranty is going to be like that single interface. So I could, in theory, be using a single portal to log tickets or whatever we're calling requests, regardless of where my house is. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'll kick that to Elliot. Actually, that's sort of his wheelhouse.
Nice.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we've developed the Lennar account, which is our online portal for our homeowners to utilize. We've expanded that to be both web-based as well as a mobile app, so it follows you everywhere you go. And the biggest impact for this audience is that you can manage all of your homes in a single user interface. So exactly. A single portal login. You can have every home you own. If you live in a home and have 3 additional properties, they're all in one user interface. You can track all of your warranty requests, all of your warranty documents, and it's across states as well. So it's not state by state. It's one comprehensive account for everything you need to manage your home.
Now, again, as a Lennar homeowner, I've now owned it for, I want to say 4 years. I remember using that portal. I'm going to call it for the first year. It's where, again, it's a new home, right? You think it's perfect the day you move in, and while you're living there, little things come up. I remember we had a creak in one of our upstairs bedrooms. I followed a ticket for that. They came back out, they addressed it. I think we filed a ticket for one of the bathroom toilets was backing up. Again, came out and fixed it, addressed that. So just in case people don't realize what kind of warranty comes with a brand new home, because again, a lot of my audience are buying existing homes, which obviously don't have warranties. Can you run through maybe the high level and feel free to send them to the website for the details, but like what's in this warranty?
Great question. And also thank you for the call up. You're exactly right. You should go to lennar.com for all of the details. Definitely connect with us and talk with an associate to get all the ins and outs.
The nitty gritty. Yes.
Yeah. Overall though, we've consolidated everything into a 1-2-10 warranty structure. So you've got 1 year workmanship that covers the performance issues related to construction quality and finish. 2 years mechanical coverage for performance of your major systems. Think electrical, plumbing, HVAC. And then 10-year structural warranties to cover the load-bearing elements, structural integrity of the home. Obviously, that's one of the big advantages to going with a new construction home for an investment property. You're going to cut out all of those kind of unexpected expenses that could pop up on an existing construction.
No. And again, I remember the 1 year I remember one of the little tickets. And again, this is just showing you the quality that Lennar brings. I remember one of the corners of our cabinets, we have an island, and one of the little parts didn't have a, I don't know what you call it. The little seam wasn't there. Like there was like a 2-inch piece of wood missing. Right. And we filed the claim, came out, fixed it, dressed it, made sure it looked the same. And he was in and out in 20 minutes. So again, it's everything that first year, which I was very happy with. Because again, that little detail might've been, it would have been very frustrating as a brand new homeowner of a 7-figure home to go, that little 2-inch piece drives me batshit crazy, but you guys fixed it. So I appreciated that.
Glad you had a good experience with it.
Oh, absolutely. And that I remember going online once I did from my desktop, once from the phone. It was fine. Automatic tickets going back and forth. It was very seamless. Phone calls to follow up, surveys. So again, this one Lennar warranty or the interface you're putting out there is awesome. For investors, I just want you to realize what you have here is basically for that first year, you have tenants calling for, I'll call it crazy things. Lennar's on the hook for much of that. Now, some of the, changing light bulbs and, other nonsense, that's obviously not included. Go to the website for the full details. But there's a lot under that umbrella. Because I got to tell you, I did not think Lennar would address that creaky bedroom. But you guys had no problem with it. And you came out, you pulled up the carpet, you put in a couple of nails, put the carpet back down, and no more creaks. So there's a lot in that first year for workmanship.
There's definitely a lot in there in the first year. And it was exactly what you just detailed is a big part of the conversation that we had to improve the customer experience relative to the warranty. Something that I've kind of been repeating myself on is how our commitment to a Lennar homeowner doesn't end at closing, and the warranty, I think, successfully reflects that now.
No, it felt like to me that first year living there, it really did feel like Lennar was just right there to help with anything. And again, whether it's a little 2-inch of folding or molding or whatever the hell you call that damn molding, I guess it's called, or the creak in my daughter's bedroom, which drove her crazy. You guys came in and fixed everything under the workmanship, which has been great. And the mechanical's never been a problem. Other than that, it's been amazing. So, but as a landlord who's buying, turnkey, this is what we want. The reason we would come to Lennar, or frankly, any home builder with build to rent, is we want to remove headaches and we want to put a layer between us. And there's nothing like having the builder be that layer that's going to come in and help definitely during that first year. That's a big plus, I think. Crystal, what do you think of that?
Yeah, I'm also a Lennar homeowner as well, and it's a great process and warranty that we've gone through with that, and having the same warranty across all the states for wherever you're investing is going to be a really great tool. And I know that with Lennar, we have a few, uniquenesses in comparison to some of our competitors. Elliot, do you want to dive into some of that?
Yeah, and I'll add as the third person here that owns a Lennar home as well, and I take that into account every day with trying to improve the customer experience with my own experience. And I think the biggest thing for investors when it comes to the online portal and the account is that you have full control over everything. So you can see all of your homes in one location, and we've actually expanded it. If you have a property management company you work with, or even a handyman that you work with, you can also give them access to the Lennar account as well. They can have their own individual login for specific homes. So you can assign specific homes to them to submit, track warranty requests, and you have visibility into all of that.
Wow.
All the way down to the tenant as well. If you trust your tenant to submit their own warranty request and you don't want them bothering you on a Saturday afternoon, you can give them access to go in and submit their requests. They don't see anything that they don't need to see. They don't have access to any of your paperwork, purchase paperwork, sensitive documents, or anything. They can simply go in and report an issue with their home, and Lennar will receive it right away. You have full visibility into who owns that request, who is managing that request for you and your tenant, and get timely updates as well. So in real-time updates, as an update is made in our system, you see it in your portal. You see it in the Lennar account in real time. And then you also get notified whenever something is resolved. So if we have to send a trade partner out to complete that work at your home, you get automatically updated that the work is done with documentation on what occurred during that request as well. And I think it's greatly improved our service process and our timeliness of our service as well. We're averaging roughly eight days over across the country to resolve an issue, no matter how big or small it may be. Some may take a day, some may take a week, but it's greatly improved our process overall, reducing service requests by about 40% over the last year in terms of completion time. And that's been a great impact on our homeowners.
Yeah, when I step back and I think about our first conversation, Crystal, about what Lennar was doing here for investors, this warranty and the interface is a huge step in the right direction. It's a competitive advantage. I talk to other builders and I don't see others doing it. Other builders are really treating investors kind of like a distribution and like a one-off thing. And Lennar really does seem to be putting a full focus of the company, really addressing mom and pop versus maybe a Wall Street, go buy 12 of them kind of thing, or 50 of them. This does feel different and unique. So shout out to you for the management and really keeping an eye on what mom and dad investors want. So nice work, Crystal.
Thank you.
Awesome. Well, what are you guys' closing thoughts? Obviously, my channel is full of real estate investors. If they're thinking about buying a new home, obviously they should go to investormarketplace.lennar.com to get the nitty gritty. But we'll have each of you close on something, and we'll go to Elliot first. Elliot, what's one thing you would want to leave real estate investors with thinking about what warranty and all of this?
Well, I just want to say that I don't want to be selfish, but I think Lennar has the best technology out of any of the home builders across the country when it comes to supporting our buyers, investors, everyone. And we're constantly working to improve that experience for everyone. We take our feedback at heart and working as hard as we can to improve the process every day. And like I said, I use my own experience in that as well as a Lennar homeowner. And I hope that our technology is leading us in the right direction.
Nice. I like it. Sean?
I hope everyone is seeing the feedback.
Sean, you're breaking up a little bit. Sorry. You look frozen. So we'll just throw it to Crystal. That way we need to edit the video. So Crystal, give us your closing thoughts and wrap us up.
Yeah. Lennar Investor Marketplace has been around for almost a year now, and we're continuously looking to improve and expand and make it as easy for investors so that you can purchase a home as easy as online. With this simplified warranty in our portal, just making additional resources and tools for investors nationwide.
Yeah, for me, what this really did is it showed that Lennar is treating what would be real estate investors and home buyers as equal, which is frankly what they should do, because again, they're consuming the product, right? They're using the product. So the fact that Lennar sees it that way, kudos to them for making that investment. And this is going to be fun to watch, because I know there's a bunch of people in my community that have already bought Lennar homes as rentals, and I strongly suspect more will. So Crystal, Sean, Elliot, thank you for being here. Sean, sorry we had a little bit of tech issue right there at the end, but it's all good. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Later.